Start the lecture, I will again inform you that 13 is the submission date of your notebook. So on 13th you have to submit your notebook. So complete your notebook as early as possible, and on 13th complete notebook you have to submit to all the teachers. Everybody understand? Then I will start with the practice set 3.2. You have to solve the fifth example at home. I will start with the sixth example. How many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? The 3-digit number divisible by 5. Test of the ability of 5 is that if the unit place of the number contains 0 and 5, that number is divisible by 5. But the 3-digit natural number divisible by 5, that you have to find out. First of all, if anybody will ask the smallest 3-digit number, at that time I will write the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and greatest 3-digit number is 99. But we want the 3-digit natural number divisible by 5. Which are the 3-digit number natural number divisible by 5, that you have to find out. So the smallest 3-digit number is 100. After that, the next 3-digit number natural number divisible by 5 is 105, 110, 115, 120. The difference between the two number is 5, and last number is 995. Because this 999 is not divisible by 5, then 995 is divisible by 5. Then friends, you have to find out the n means how many numbers are there. Means n, you have to find out in between this series how many natural 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5, that you have to find out. Means you have to find out the value of n. Then for that, this is a is equal to t1 is equal to 100, this is t2 is equal to 105, this is t3 is equal to 110. This is the last term or general term, so you have to say that tn is equal to 995. Then common difference you have to find out. Common difference is equal to d is equal to t2 minus t1. If you will observe at that time, the difference between any two consecutive term is 5. So d is equal to t2 minus t1. d is equal to t2 term is 105, t1 term is 100. 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. Then you have to use the formula tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you have to put the values here. From this you have to put the value of tn. Tn is equal to 995. Here a value is 100. You have to put the value of a is 100. You have to put the value of d as 5. Here you have to put the value of d as 5. And you have to put the values. Tn is equal to 995. A is equal to 100 will come from this place. A is equal to 100. So a is equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into d. You have to find out here, means how many numbers are divisible by 5. 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5, that you have to find out. Means you have to find out n minus 1 into value of d is 5. You have to put the values and you have to find out n. This 995 as it is. This plus 100 you have to shift from right to left. This plus 100 becomes minus 100 is equal to 5 multiplied by n minus 1. 995 minus 100 is equal to 895 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Then you have to transpose this multiplied by 5 from right to left. Multiplied by 5 becomes divided by 5. 895 ones are, this 5 ones are 5. 5 179 are 895. Then this 179 as it is, you have to write is equal to n minus 1. You have to transpose this minus 1 this side. At that time minus 1 becomes plus 1. 179 plus 1 is equal to n. N is equal to, you have to say 180. In this way I will say that total 180 terms from 100 to 995 are divisible by 5. Everybody understand this example? Then you have to start with 7th example. 11th term of the AP is given 16 and 21st term of the AP is given 29. And you have to find out the 41 term of an AP. Means 11 term, T11 term is given 16, T21 term is given 29. You have to find out T41 term. So for this, from this T11 and T21, you have to frame the two linear equations. Two simultaneous linear equations you have to frame, and you have to solve this equation by elimination or the substitution, and you have to find out value of a and d. Once you will get the value of a and d, here for T41 term, n is equal to 41 will come, and a is equal to, you have to find out 3, d is equal to you have to find out 13 upon 10. How this A and D will come, that you have to see. I will say that for T11 term n is equal to 11. For T11 term this n is equal to 11, and for T21 term n is equal to 21. Here you have to use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. Then this T11 is equal to, value of T11 is equal to 16 you have to put. Value of T11 is given 16, so you have to put the value of T11 as 16 is equal to A plus 10D. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10D. From that we will get the equation A plus 10D is equal to 16. In the same manner for the T21 you have to frame the equation. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T21 is equal to A plus n value is 21 minus 1 into D. 29, this value of T21 is equal to 29. You have to put this value here, T21. 29 is equal to A plus 20D. 21 minus 1 is equal to 20D. So you have to say that A plus 20D is equal to 29. A plus 20D is equal to 29. This, both the equations are the simultaneous linear equation. Here coefficients of A are same. So I will say that equation 1 minus equation 2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. You have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So equation 1 you have to write upside, equation 2 you have to write downside. Once you will give the minus sign, you have to change all the signs. This plus A becomes minus A. This plus 20 becomes minus 20. This plus 29 becomes minus 29. This plus A minus A, you have to strike the term. Plus 10D minus 20D is equal to minus 10D. And plus 16D minus 29D is equal to minus 13. D is equal to transpose multiplied by minus 10 that side, that becomes divided by minus 10. Then if both numbers are negative, quotient is positive, otherwise numerator and denominator minus minus sign you have to strike. At that time D is equal to 13 upon 10 will come. Once you will get the value of 13 upon 10, you have to put this value in any equation. I will put this value in equation 1. If you will put this value in equation 2, then also your answer will come. So put D is equal to 13 upon 10 in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus 10D is equal to 16. A plus 10 multiplied by value of D is 13 upon 10 you have to put. This 10 cancel. Numerator and denominator 10 cancel. A plus 13. A plus 13 is equal to 16. You have to find out value of A. A is equal to, you have to transpose this plus 13 that side, that become minus 13. A is equal to 16 minus 30. A is equal to 3 will come. Once you will get the value of D and A, you have to find out T41. For T41 term, n is equal to 41. And this T41 is equal to, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T41 is equal to A plus 41 minus 1 into D. T41 is equal to A plus 41 minus 1 is equal to D. 41 minus 1 is equal to 40D. So T41 is equal to A plus 40D. So I will say that T41 is equal to A plus 40D. But A is equal to, value of A is 3 and D is 13 upon 10. But A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 13 upon 10. You have to put this value of A and D in above equation. This T41 as it is you have to write. In place of A you have to write 3 plus 10 multiplied by value of D is 13 upon 10 you have to write. You have to strike this numerator and denominator 0. At that time this becomes T41 is equal to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 13. T41 is equal to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 13 is equal to 52. 52 plus 3 is equal to 55. Therefore T41 term will come 55. In this way you have to solve this example. Already one solved example we solved already by this method. In the same method you have to try to understand each and everything, and you have to write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.